Hi guys, I just wanted to take a couple minutes and go over the fourth marking period project. We are going to be creating a systems math lib. Now, if you've ever done a Mad Lib, basically it's a story that has blanks inserted in, and once you determine the answers, you plug them into the paragraph, and then it makes a funny story. Okay, so this is what we're going to work on. We have a due date of this, which is next Thursday, May 28th. Okay, if you want to earn an early bird special, ding, 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 for 5 extra points, please hand it in by Friday, May 22nd. Okay, and obviously we would need to receive it by Friday, May 22nd by 11:59 p.m. Okay, anything after, even if you send it to us Saturday morning, then you do not get the 5 extra points. Okay. Keep in mind, think about your grade. If you need those points, then we better see the project by Friday. Also, 10 points are deducted each day a project is late, and no projects will be accepted after June 3rd. Okay, so just keep in mind these dates, okay, because, they are very important. Now, for our directions, okay. Complete the following math lib. In order to do so, you must complete the following tasks. Okay. The first 8 questions are multiple choice. Once you complete the question, you're going to see a red star on the top right corner of the page. Please use that to place it next to the correct answer. Okay, and you must provide your work. There's 30 points built into the rubric for you handing in your work. Second, then you're going to create your own ending to this math lib. And to do that, you're going to create 2 questions on your own using what you have learned on systems. Be creative. You can use prior lessons, slides, activities. You can go on Google and look up your own system questions. Okay, honestly, you can Google and look up system of equation multiple choice questions even, just to help you out. Okay, once you add a question, then create your answers. So you'll have to come up with 4 answers, obviously one of them being the correct one. Okay, and then you'll solve yours as well. Then once you have all of your answers, go back and fill in the math lib, which is on slide 4. Okay. Then there's a blank slide at the end where we are expecting you to include a picture of your work for the project. If you cannot upload this onto the slides, you must send us an email for your work. Okay, again, if we do not receive your work, it's an automatic 30 points deducted from your project. Finally, you must work independently and all of your work must be shown. Okay, any cheating will result in a 0 for this project. This has to be your own work. You are not getting the answers from anywhere else or anyone else. Here is your rubric. The completion of 8 questions correctly, okay, which is out of 40 points. So basically each question is worth 5 points. The second part of the rubric is that you design 2 problems and correctly solving them. That's out of 20 points, so 10 points per question. Then your math lib is completed on slide 4. So once that's all plugged in, that will give you 10 points. And then work has been submitted for this project, and that's out of 30 points. Okay. Okay, this is the math lib. So basically what you do is once you get all your answers, you can go back and click on each one of these and replace it with the word that applies to your answer. Okay, so here's the questions: problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, problem 4. If you notice this red star in the corner, that was what I was talking about at the beginning. Okay, so if you find that you believe A is the correct answer, you would take this star and slide it over, and you can put it next to the name, you can put it next to the answer, wherever, just as long as we know exactly what answer you choose. We should not have to go back on your scrap paper to figure out which answer you have. Question 5, question 6, question 7, question 8. Now, this is then again where you now determine the ending. You create your own problems for the next 2 questions, then use the answer to highlight the correct answer. Okay, for support, use past lessons, slides, Google, etc. It could be on substitution, graphing, testing a solution, different types of solutions, whatever you'd like. Okay, so you'll type it in, you click here, and then that could start. Okay, if you have to put in a picture, you can insert picture, whatnot. And then you create 4 answers, and then they'll apply to those verbs. Finally, question 10. And right one back. And then your picture of your work. Okay, so you either include it there, or again, you have to email me. Okay. So that is the project. Okay. Again, your due date is Thursday, May 28th. And early bird is this Friday if you'd like to get it in. Okay. Any questions? Just don't hesitate to ask. Good luck. Don't forget, this counts as a project grade, project test category 40%. So let's do this awesome.